Wait, why am I low-key dying? I'm hungry.
This is mango funk.
There's mango funk?
If you level up, you get mango funk.
Really?
Dude, this is so fucking.
Oh my god, hi!
Is that you?
Yes! Hello!
Where are the ops? Where the bird game ops are coming for me?
Oh no! Here, let's build a nest. I have a stick. I can.
Wait, where'd my nest go?
I ate it.
Dude.
Don't know where it is! Where did your nest go? Are you shooting me? What are you doing?
Dude, this is. I'm gonna get you.
Stop. If you pick me, I will not pick you.
Come here.
No. Leave me alone. Stop. Why is it?
Man, I'm the best bird game player ever.
You know what? You know what? Come here. What are you eating?
Dude, these game controls are so fucking bad. Stop flying away.
Come on.
Come here. Come here, Mary. Mary, stop. Mary, press F. Mary, keep pressing F. Here. Did I kill you?
Yes! Come here. Where are you? I'm mad at you.
No, we're done with this game. We're done with this game.
What the hell?